In this video, I will show you how to layer stack or merge a different band of satellite image in QGIS 3.14 version. Okay. Now this is my downloaded image. It is in a zip file. Now just click on here, right click on here, and click on extract here. Okay. So you can see the bands. First we are going to see the band. And so this is a Landsat 4.5 thematic mapper. Okay. Or this is there is a total 8 band. I will merge band 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So it was extract here. You can see this is a band 1. This is band 1, and this is band 7. Okay. And this is the 8th band. Now first open QGIS, then just click on raster, miscellaneous, then click on merge. Okay. Then it wants input layer. Just click on here, click on add files. Okay. Now go to the motion, that is we are selecting the band 1 to 5. Okay. Now we're selecting band 1. Select the first one, click the shift button, and click the 5th band. Okay. Now select all the 5 layer, then click on open. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 band. Okay. Now just click on OK. So the 5 input are selected. Then check the place each input files into a separate band. So I want to place each input on a separate band, that is called a layer stack. Now check it. Then output data type is float 32. Then the merge, you have to give the output. Okay, just click on here, save to file. Then I'm creating a new folder, that is output. Okay, that is a merge, and here, and click on save, and just click on run button. So it forces the algorithm and running the algorithm for merging all these kinds of bands. So the layer stacking is completed. Then just click on close button. Now this is the layer. Okay. Now just right click on it, go to properties. Okay. So select the symbology option. Then render type is multiband color. Then red band. We know that we are going to the false color composition. So red band is near infrared, that is 4. Green band is red, and blue band as green. Now the contrast enhancement is stage to min max. You have to select this kinds of thing, then just click on apply. Okay. And another thing, that is a transparency. Go to the click on the transparency. The additional no data value is just click on 0, then apply. Okay, then click on OK. So the black portion of the image is removed from. Okay. So this is the satellite image of Bihar. Okay. By this process, you can layer stack any images, that is Sentinel, that is IRS, list 3 or list 4, or Landsat 8, or another things. So thank you for watching this video. Okay.